Do you understand this? Probably not. I just did math on my desk to count how many beers I could buy. Currently 8. Because I have like 250 in total. 30 cents a beer. 90 cents is 3. So 9 plus 9, 90 plus 90 is 6 beers. 90 plus 90 is 180. Is 6 beers. Then I have 70 cents left. For 60 cents you get 2 beers. So with that 10 cents we can't do anything. 2 plus 6 is 8. So I can buy 8 beers. Now you know how an ADHD brain works. So that means we're I'm going to the grocery store to get... It was 8, right? So you are washing machine resistant but not sneeze resistant.